Hey there! Today, we're diving into the ultimate solution for extreme dry skin. My favorite DIY coffee hand cream, perfect for 2026 and beyond. Let's be honest. Are your hands so dry and cracked that it's painful just to wash them? Are you completely over store-bought hand creams that promise the world but only deliver a greasy mess that doesn't even work? If you're desperate for a real solution, you need to see this. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to whip up a ridiculously rich and nourishing hand cream with only 3 simple natural ingredients. This isn't just another DIY project, it's the answer to your painful, cracked skin. It gives you instant, non-greasy relief, and you can make it right in your own kitchen. Welcome! If you're sick of constantly reapplying lotion, dealing with those painful cracks around your knuckles, and feeling like you have to hide your hands, you've come to the right place. Today, we're tackling extreme dry skin head-on. The solution? A homemade 3-ingredient coffee hand cream that will completely change how you think about skincare. Forget all those chemical-filled commercial products. This cream is simple, all-natural, and shockingly effective. We're combining the deep, moisturizing power of shea butter, the protective barrier of coconut oil, and the incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits of coffee. The result is a whipped, luxurious cream that just melts into your skin for immediate comfort, without that heavy, greasy feeling. It's perfect for anyone, especially those of us who wash our hands constantly, or live in places with harsh weather. Let's get started and give your hands the relief they've been begging for. Before we start mixing, let's talk about why this recipe works so incredibly well. It's not magic, it's the science behind these 3 powerhouse ingredients. Knowing what each one does will make you appreciate the final product that much more. First up is our base, the foundation of our cream shea butter. We're using 2 tablespoons of raw, unrefined shea butter. Shea butter is, honestly, a true superhero for dry skin. It's loaded with fatty acids and vitamins, like A and E, which are just essential for healthy skin. These fats, they lubricate your skin and create this protective barrier that seals in moisture. This is what gives our cream its deep, lasting hydration and what really targets those extra rough spots like your knuckles and cuticles. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is more than just a moisturizer, it's a healer. It contains lauric acid, which has some antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This is a big help when you have cracked skin, as it can calm down redness and irritation. It works with the shea butter to reinforce your skin's natural barrier, helping to trap moisture and keep your hands from drying out. Together, they create a powerful defense against dryness. Finally, the star of the show. 1 teaspoon of coffee. You can use pre-made coffee butter or, as I'll show you, a simple coffee-infused oil. Coffee is, honestly, a skincare game-changer. It's packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, those little molecules that damage your skin and lead to premature aging. The caffeine in coffee is a vasoconstrictor, which means it can temporarily tighten blood vessels when applied to the skin. This can help reduce redness and create a smoother, brighter appearance. Plus, coffee has potent anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe irritated skin, which is exactly what our sore hands need. Optionally, you can add a few drops of vitamin E oil to act as a natural preservative and give an extra antioxidant boost, or your favorite essential oil like lavender for a calming scent. But honestly, the core 3 are all you really need for amazing results. Alright, time for the fun part. Let's turn these simple ingredients into a jar of skin-saving gold. The process is quick, easy, and so satisfying. Step 1. The coffee infusion. If you don't have coffee butter, making your own infused oil is super simple. Take 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil. Sweet almond is great, or you can just use your tablespoon of coconut oil for this step. Gently warm the oil in a small pan over low heat. Don't let it get hot. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh finely ground coffee and let it steep in the warm oil for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring every now and then. You'll see the oil get darker and start to smell absolutely incredible. This slow infusion method extracts all the beneficial compounds from the coffee without burning it. After 20 minutes, carefully strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve or some cheesecloth to get all the grounds out. You'll be left with a beautiful, fragrant coffee-infused oil. Step 2. Melting the base. Now, grab a double boiler. If you don't have one, no worries. Just place a heat-safe glass bowl over a saucepan with about an inch of simmering water. This gentle heat is key because it melts everything without overheating and destroying the nutrients. Add your 2 tablespoons of shea butter and your 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, or your freshly infused coffee oil, to the bowl. Stir gently and watch them melt into a smooth golden liquid. This should only take a few minutes. Step 3. Cooling and combining. Once it's all melted and combined, take the bowl off the heat. If you didn't infuse your coconut oil, now is when you'll stir in your 1 teaspoon of coffee butter or your strained coffee-infused oil. If you're adding any extras like vitamin E oil or a few drops of lavender, do it now. Give it a good stir to make sure everything's mixed together. Now, we have to let it cool. You can leave it on the counter for a couple of hours, or, if you're impatient like me, pop it in the fridge for about 30 to 45 minutes. You want it to become opaque and firm up, but not get rock solid. Think the consistency of soft butter. Step 4. The magic of whipping. This is my favorite part. It's where we transform the mixture from a simple balm into a light, airy whipped cream. Using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, start whipping the solid mixture on low, then gradually crank it up to high. Keep whipping for 3 to 5 minutes. You'll see it change right before your eyes. It'll get lighter in color and fluffier in texture, growing in volume until it looks like a delicious creamy frosting. This whipping process is the secret to its luxurious, non-greasy feel. Okay, so once you're happy with the fluffy texture, go ahead and scoop your gorgeous DIY coffee hand cream into a clean, dry glass jar with a tight lid. An airtight container is best to keep it fresh, you know? And since this recipe is all oil-based and has no water, it actually has a pretty good shelf life. It should last for about 3 months, as long as you store it away from direct sunlight and heat. So, we've made the cream, but let's talk a bit more about why this is so much better than anything you can buy at the store. This cream doesn't just sit on your skin, it works on multiple levels to heal and restore it. Isn't that just amazing? First, let's chat about intense healing and repair. The shea butter and coconut oil combo provides the essential fatty acids your dry, compromised skin is desperate for. These fats help repair your skin's natural barrier. It's like the first line of defense against irritants and moisture loss. For issues like eczema or just severely chapped winter hands, rebuilding that barrier is the most important step toward real, long-term relief. Sounds fantastic, right? Next is the anti-aging and brightening effect. Coffee isn't just for waking you up in the morning, it wakes up your skin too. The antioxidants in coffee help protect against environmental damage that can lead to fine lines. Some studies on topical caffeine have even shown it can help reduce wrinkle formation caused by UV damage. The caffeine also gives a little boost to circulation where you apply it, which helps bring more oxygen to your skin cells, resulting in a brighter, healthier glow. We also have that powerful anti-inflammatory action. If your hands are red, swollen, and painful, that's inflammation. Both coffee and coconut oil are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Applying this cream can help calm that irritation, reduce redness, and bring a soothing sensation that gives you immediate comfort. Finally, a quick note on using it. It's always a good idea to do a small patch test on your inner arm before slathering it everywhere, just to be sure you don't have any sensitivities. This cream is rich and wonderful, and using it once or twice a day is perfect for getting all the benefits. For the most effective application, just take a small dime-sized amount and warm it between your palms. Really massage it into your hands, making sure you get your cuticles, knuckles, and any other super dry or cracked spots. The massage itself helps boost circulation and, makes sure the cream gets fully absorbed. For a really intensive overnight treatment, apply a thick layer before bed and slip on a pair of cotton gloves. You'll wake up to unbelievably soft and happy hands. Want to get creative? This recipe is a fantastic base for experimenting. For a foot fix, just double the amount of coffee in the recipe. The extra caffeine will be great for stimulating circulation in tired, achy feet, and the rich butters will work wonders on cracked heels. For a Luxe anti-aging version, add a few drops of green coffee extract along with your coffee-infused oil. Green coffee extract is famous for its potent anti-aging benefits and can give your cream an extra youth-boosting kick. For a vegan scrub cream, if you have a lot of dead skin buildup, mix a teaspoon of fine brown sugar into a small amount of the finished cream right before you use it. This turns it into a moisturizing scrub that gently exfoliates before melting into your skin. And there you have it, a simple, all-natural, and incredibly effective DIY coffee hand cream that will rescue your hands from the misery of extreme dryness. No more pain, no more grease, and no more hiding your hands. Just pure, nourishing relief that you made yourself. The rich butters deliver that deep, lasting moisture, while the coffee works to soothe, brighten, and protect your skin. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope this recipe brings your hands the comfort they deserve. If you enjoyed this and are excited to try the hand cream, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more simple, effective DIY skincare. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Are you going to give this recipe a try? What are your favorite scents to add to a homemade cream? Let's share some ideas. Thanks again for watching, and here's to happy, healthy hands.